Alright guys, it's been well over a year since I've opened any cards. Today we're going to be doing some Astral Radiance. Got 3 packs. Let's see if we get anything. Nice! Oh my god! Wow, what a pull! So on to packs 2 and 3. We'll save this one till last. We'll go for this one. Okay, last pack. I'm not too sure what this is. I don't know what the cards are in this. I'll leave that. I'll put that one there. Let's see what this is like. I'm not sure how this will work, but let's have a look. Well, that's nice. Quite like that. Nice design. Oh, okay. That's just oh, and hollow. So yeah, not too bad.